Okay, now we will create work planes on the 4 side walls of the work volume. Go to the Work Planes tab and select Slice through Work Volume and select this line. This will create a local work plane on this side wall. We can now create geometries in this work plane, and geometries will be created relative to this coordinate system. Okay, let's draw a rectangle on this plane. Select Geometry, Rectangle, and as the first corner type in here 2 and 2, okay, and as the second corner x50, y18, okay, and the rectangle was drawn on the side wall. Let's draw some more. Select Circle plus Diameter command, enter 10 as diameter, and as circle center x65, y10. Okay. Display geometry direction arrow and set the arrow inside the rectangle. Okay, let's create another work plane. Select Work Planes, Slice through Work Volume, and select this line. Okay. And let's draw here 3 circles with a diameter of 10 millimeters. Geometry, center plus diameter, circle diameter 10, and circle center x20, y10, okay. Next circle x40, okay, and x60, okay. Now we will create another work plane, but first let's cancel this work plane and select Slice through Work Volume and select this line. And this time the z-axis of the local coordinate system is directed to the center of the work plane. The direction of the z-axis is the direction from which the tool enters the material, and the z-axis should be directed outside the work volume. To do this, select Reverse Current Plane, and also we can change the location of the beginning of the local coordinate system. To do this, select Set Work Plane Origin, and using snaps, for example, and point off, select this point to change the beginning of the work plane. Okay, let's cancel this work plane and create another one. Slice through Work Volume, select this line, and again reverse current work plane and set work plane origin to this point. Okay. The work planes that we have created are located in the Work Planes tab in the Project Manager. After expanding the work plane, we have a list of geometries that are in this plane. Geometries can be copied between 2 work planes, and now we will copy the geometries from work plane 1 to work plane 3. With Ctrl key select these 2 geometries, right click, copy, right click on the work plane 3 and paste. Okay, repeat this for second work plane, copy and paste. Okay, and let's cancel work plane, and now we will prepare the massing of these geometries.